In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to install Docker on your Mac operating system. Step 1 is to install Docker on macOS. Go to google.com. Search for Docker download for macOS. Click on Docker Desktop. Click on Download for Mac, Apple chip. A Docker desktop installer file, docker.dmg, will begin downloading. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the docker.dmg file in your Downloads folder and double-click it. This will open the installation window. In the installation window, you'll see the Docker whale icon. Simply drag and drop it into your Applications folder, as demonstrated. After the installation is complete, go to your Applications directory and locate Docker Desktop. Open it and grant any necessary permissions. When Docker Desktop is launched, you may be prompted to sign in with your Docker Hub account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one on the Docker Hub website. Step 2 is to verify Docker installation. Open Terminal. Run Docker version command. If Docker is installed correctly, you will see the installed Docker version displayed in the terminal, confirming that the installation was successful. Step 3 is to test Docker with a container. To ensure Docker is functioning as expected, run a simple container. In your terminal, enter the following command: docker run hello world. Docker will automatically download and run the hello world container. If your Docker installation is working correctly, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your installation is operational. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Docker on your system. You're now ready to start using Docker to create, deploy, and manage containers for your applications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.